Welcome back to the YakChat channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to send and receive MMS messages using YakChat. YakChat supports MMS messages in a variety of formats, including JPEG, PNG, MP3, MP4, and PDF. Remember, the maximum file size for any attachment is 5 megabytes, and you can send up to 10 attachments per message. Now let's walk through sending an MMS message on YakChat. First, select the conversation you'd like to send a message to. Click the attachment icon next to the text bar. Your file directory will open. Select the file you want to send. Once selected, the image or file will load. Finally, press the send button and your message is on its way. Want to send more than one picture? No problem. Just select multiple images from your file directory, and they'll all be included in your message. Viewing and downloading images in YakChat is super easy. Click on any image you've sent or received to open it in Lightbox, which allows you to see it in full screen. Need to save an image? Simply click the download button above the image. You can choose to download an individual file or all files at once. Sending and receiving MMS messages in YakChat is that simple. Thanks for watching and happy messaging. Please like and subscribe if you have found this video helpful.